Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we will be putting a tempered glass on the MI-A1. Now this tempered glass will not give you a bubble. At least that's what is been told to me. Now let's see. Now basically what's happening is it's a regular tempered glass like this one, but the difference is the sides are blacked out. Now if it's blacked out, then you will not be able to see the bubble. So I think there would be a bubble in this, just that because of the black portion you'll not be able to see it. So let's see if that's the case or something else. Hopefully this works. So let's go ahead and remove this tempered glass first. This is the problem that you'll have with most of the tempered glass. You have 2.5D tempered glass also, but I do not like them that much because they keep coming off because of the covers. So whatever covers that you put, they push them out and they do not fit properly, especially the red ones that I have shown before, the front and back ones. The tempered glass do not fit properly, so that's a big issue. So let's go ahead and remove this tempered glass first. Okay, remove that, stick it somewhere. Okay, done. Now I'll have to clean it. Okay, now as you can see, it's very dirty. Let me just clean it properly and come. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the tempered glass. Now first of all, make sure it's nicely clean. That's another speck. Let me just remove that. Okay. Now this does not have gum in the middle, it just has gum on the sides. Now this place, all this has gum, this side does not have gum. So I'm not a big fan of it, but I really don't have much of an option with MI-A1 because I can't really find many screen guards for it. So let's go ahead and put this now. That's it. Now the reason why you do not see any bubble in this is because there is no gum. So this entire place is non-sticky. The sticky part is just the side. So that's why you do not get any bubble in this. Now this is not the favorite kind. I do not like this kind of a tempered glass because if a little bit of dust gets in from the corners, then that dust itself will make marks on the screen. But right now, since I don't have much of a choice and they're not, the ones that are available are not that great, the screen guards which are available are not that great, so I am using this. So let me use this for some time. Let's see what all problems I get into or if it will be good. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.